famous.
Shit.
Famous. We're gonna be famous. Count on that. Screw the drugs, y'all. Don't do drugs.
Welcome to friendly Los Angeles, LAX.
This is us chasing our dreams. Raiden and Lala presents
LA. She's about to go into this 7-Eleven right here, then ask if they have a microwave to cook this fish.
Hey, do you have a microwave so I can cook this? No? Oh, okay. Well, unfortunately they do not have a microwave to cook the fish, so we're just gonna eat it raw.
Raw chicken. Raw fish.
Eat the food, motherfucker.